Working on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and I'm going to be diagnosing a check engine light and hopefully repairing it. And I'm using the blue driver scan tool. Plug it into the OBD2 port. Currently the car has 341,100 miles on it. Well, just by listening to it, you can kind of hear that it has a slight misfire. Yeah, I could actually feel that when I was driving it as well. I'm going to pull up the Blue Driver app, and it's going to connect to the sensor, and it'll start flashing blue when it is connecting. Go to read codes, all system modules, and because I'm scanning all the modules, all the computers, this actually could take a couple seconds. "13 codes found." Wow. Cylinder 3 misfire, cylinder 3 misfire, that's a P0303, and looks like it's a permanent code too. A couple communication codes. Let's see what else is here. A few more communication codes. The circuit control input, or the cruise control input circuit, and alright, so it's going to probably say for the cylinder 3 misfire, if you click on it, it'll tell you the most common fixes, which are replace ignition coil, and the second one is replace spark plugs. A great way to check to see if it is the coil is to take the coil from like number 3 cylinder, the known misfire, and switch it with the number 4. If the misfire follows the coil, then you know it's the coil pack. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then probably throw in one of my spare coil packs from one of my parts cars, and then order a new set from AC Delco. And you can tell which cylinder, which one's number 1 and which one's number 4. Usually the number 1 cylinder is closest to the timing chain or timing belt. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I'm going to start by unplugging all the coil packs. You pull up the little gray tab, and then you just push down. Then I'm going to remove my ZZP coil pack cover. Most Chevy Cobalts just have a plastic engine cover that just pulls off after you remove the oil cap. I love my ZZP billet aluminum oil cap. That makes the car look so much better. It's usually one of the first upgrades I do anytime I get a new Cobalt or anything with the Ecotech 2.2 or 2.4 engines. Get coil pack cover and the ZZP billet aluminum oil cap. And I replaced these coil packs probably about 120,000 miles ago, but I can see the number 3 cylinder actually has a coil pack from a wrecking yard because it has the paint mark on it. And usually these coil packs are good for 100 to maybe 150,000 miles before you really have to replace them. I'll be ordering in a full set of AC Delco replacements, but for now I'm going to put in a coil pack from one of my parts cars. Until the new ones come in. Snug that down, does not have to be crazy tight. Replace the ZZP coil pack cover. Plug in the coil packs. It is running smoother. Let me go listen to the exhaust before I clear the codes. No misfire. So I could wait a couple drive cycles and the code would clear itself. But the Blue Driver scan tool will actually clear codes, and so it's not connected. So the Blue Driver scan tool will actually clear codes. I would just hit clear. Go. Check engine light is cleared, and I still have one permanent code, but that will definitely go off after a drive cycle. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.